if she felt hurt, she has every right to say what she wants to say. She's a lady, and ladies are entitled to their rights.
Anushka Sharma is enjoying her first pregnancy, and the actor is spending lots of quality time with cricketer husband Virat Kohli in the UAE, where he is playing a cricket tournament. The couple, who announced that they were expecting their first baby early next year, has been sharing adorable moments from their time together as they enjoy time before their bundle of joy arrives. Anushka and Virat are one of India's perceived power couples. She is a successful actor and producer, and he is India's cricket captain and youth icon. The two have been setting relationship goals ever since they got married, but Anushka has had a lot of trolling to face multiple times from cricket fans in India who have blamed her for Virat's occasional poor performance on the field. Even recently, there was furore after Sunil Gavaskar during commentary made comments about Virat practicing cricket with just Anushka during the lockdown. Check it out. Anushka is often seen supporting her husband during cricket matches, and from 2018, the actor has been on an extended break from acting, focusing on creating path-breaking content with her production house and spending more time with husband Virat Kohli. The couple, who has very busy schedules, otherwise ended up getting lots of quality time together during the extended lockdown, and Anushka has now accompanied Virat to the UAE, where he is playing a popular cricket tournament.
Hey, Kohli! Chauka marna, chauka! Kya kar raha hai? Hey, Kohli! Chauka maar!
It was from the UAE that the couple announced their pregnancy, and since then, Anushka has been sharing some adorable pictures of her growing baby bump, posing in a swimming costume and cute pink overalls with chic maternity dresses. The couple was also clicked enjoying a dip in the ocean during sunset, and their romantic picture sent social media into a complete meltdown. But जहां दोनों कई sweet moments एक दूसरे के साथ बिता रहे हैं, वहीं there was some bitterness recently as well when Anushka was hurt by comments that cricketing legend Sunil Gavaskar made during his commentary. Referring to the viral video of Anushka and Virat practicing cricket together during the lockdown, Mr. Gavaskar had said, "सिर्फ अनुष्का की bowling की practice की है उन्होंने." Anushka had taken offense to these comments since she has been trolled multiple times when Virat fails to score enough runs. Commenting on the controversy for the first time, head coach of the Indian cricket team, Ravi Shastri, spoke to Times Now and shared his opinion. He said, "If Anushka Sharma felt it, she is entitled to say. Whether the comment made by Sunil Gavaskar is agreeable or not, I would not have gone down that route myself." Ravi seemed to have taken a more balanced approach to the whole issue, showing Anushka's support but refusing to openly criticize a legend like Mr. Gavaskar. Well, everyone seems to have moved on from the controversy now, and Anushka and Virat are slowly inching towards the last few months of it being just the two of them before their cute little baby arrives.